let's address the reverse De La Riva, guys. So from here, car's going for the cut cross pass. Usually anytime someone gets hip control and knee control, car wants to bring his knee through, win the underhook, and then just sit through for his cut cross pass. Again, a common way of shutting down the cut cross pass is the reverse De La Riva hook. So anytime car puts his hand there, I just feed my right foot, I'm going to L shape it, and it's coming around car's right hip from this position here. His goal is to get his knee to the mat. Another thing I'm doing is I'm bringing my arm underneath my own knee. It acts like a buffer, okay? And then probably from there I'll be making some kind of grips, getting my foot on his hip, and now I can start to push car away. Probably the go-to move from here is Kiss of the Dragon, where my right hand comes under the shin, my left finds the leg, and I'll be inverting through and looking to take car down from this position. And then we can work that crazy a steamer up from there, getting the crook arm around his, and I have my move. But let's look at how do we deal with this. So, cards in the bottom. So, if you haven't done the cut cross pass before, I'll be making space, entering into headquarters, hands coming on the hip and on the inside of the knee, and I run laterally and I try to bring my knee towards the mat. Cards are ready, putting in the reverse De La Riva hook. From there, we know the main move is Kiss the Dragon. I do not want this hand getting a grip and then he can pull himself through to this position. So, the minute I end up there, my left hand is going to make a grip on the pants, and as he tries to make a grip on my leg, I just take it back. Now, instead of me passing the cards right, I'm going to redirect his legs till his left. So that hand grabs the knee, I grab the collar, and I just run laterally into the folding pass position, or the side smash. So detail on the side smash, guys, I have the edges of my feet on the mat, and I want to be heavy. Now the problem is Carl's right leg. If I have my chest over Carl's, he can flare his right knee and reverse the position. So we want to be thinking about where my chest is. It should be over the top of his thigh. Anytime I'm in this position, my chest is on his thigh. Ideally, I want the underhook. It's not the end of the world if I don't get it, but it rules down. I have three options if I have the underhook. If I don't have the underhook, I will need two. So, edges of the feet on the mat. Now, Car's main escape here, or counter to get his guard back, is to build the base with his elbow and shrimp out and probably into butterfly, take a back step. So I think we covered this earlier in the mesocycle. I want the underhook and I want elbow control. So now if he tries to build that base, stick my head in his throat and stay tight. So let's shut down that hook. So my left leg, the one on the same side as the underhook, is going to windshield wiper over Car's both legs. Once I get to there, I'm going to swim my right knee up and I end up in this position here. This gives me three paths to go down. From there, first option is side control to Carl's right side. You just move into 100 kilos. Second option from there, head in the throat, tripod up, and I swim my shin across into the cut cross. Now I don't want Carl's knees facing me, so I glue my hip to his hip and walk his knees away from me. In the cross face, 100 kilos again. Start. So, to get us back on the mat, I create space and looking to win the cut cross pass. So from Car's perspective, yes, he wants the reverse De La Riva hook, but he does not want my knee getting to the mat. So this arm will come under the leg, tacked like a buffer. Right, now more than likely he's going to either, if I'm tight, he'll use his knee, but he kind of wants to create space. Now he wants access to this leg. So it's important that if he grabs it, we peel that off and we back off. Now he makes the grip on the pants and the collar, and then we redirect Car's like this way, and we get into the side smash folding pass position. Big for the underhook, have the elbow, shin comes over, head in the throat, stay tight, and now I just come to this position here. Third option is, from there I just pull the elbow out, slide my right knee in, and I'm in the so we have 3 routes to go down. The you don't win the underhook, you only two. When you get to this position, and I'm here, do not go for the cut cross pass without this underhook. Because if you do, take it back to the start. So, get us back on the mat, head quarters from hand on the hip, hand the inside of the knee. I'm looking for the cut cross pass, for his arms draped underneath. He wants this leg, grab the pants, redirect, and straight into the folding pass, side smash position. My chest is across his thigh. Okay? Find the elbow, head of the throat. Option one, windshield wiper. Very nice staging position. So my shins across those legs. Option one from there is option two from there is tripod up, cut cross pass, walk his knees back the other way, cross face 100 kilos, or from there, staging position, try to get his elbow, his left elbow away from his body, and the main knee gets into that space when the crossface. Sometimes from that battle, getting marked, say I'm here, it can be the snagging off his foot, so another thing we can think about is when I pull that elbow out, put my head in, I can windshield wiper my foot down. No. Okay, so, that guy.